positive sayings. I didn't specifically buy this for anybody to gift to. I bought it for you guys and our projects. So, put that to the side. And let's get out. Today we're going to be using our sketchbook. The one we used with our last project. Don't have a whole lot of room on the sides here, so you're going to hear some weird noises. Just ignore them. So let's find our page. I'm thinking that we're just going to do a single page today. Here's the one we did last time. I added this little potion bottle. It dropped out of my box onto the floor, and I thought, oh, I like that. That would look nice on this page. So we're going to do this page. And I think we're going to use this stencil. The musical notes here. I'm not going to put the guitar on because there's a guitar in the sticker book. And I thought, because the colors are very pastel-y, but they don't really have a purple except for her hair, I think we're going to try to figure out how to get this purple in. I guess it is kind of a purple, isn't it? Is it that way in the book? It's more of a pink. That's okay. We can work with it. It doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. So, the music notes. I'm debating. Do I want to use the Midnight Black, which looks like black, or quite possibly Spring Pansy? Yes, let's use this one. Okay. Got it all over my hands now. Let me give myself a squirt. Get that off. Where'd I put my towel? Yikes, where'd it go? I'm going to wipe it off with the towel that I have in the wastebasket. It's still damp. It's kind of oily and it really smells bad. This is made for Stay On. It's Stay On brand. And it's a stamp cleaner. We'll clean all this off. But it really stinks and it doesn't say what the ingredients are. I don't like it when they don't put the ingredients in. I suppose if I really wanted to know, I'd go to this email or this .com address, but we won't worry about it now. I don't think I'm going to die. Okay. If you see me convulsing or something, call 911. Thank you. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I hope this is the right choice. Oh, I missed a part. stuck there for a minute, just like a weirdo. Okay. So let's see what I got. I got this really pretty piece of paper. Well, that's just barely. Does that make it look more prominent that I went off? Jeez, can't believe I did that. I was so paranoid about getting purple ink on my nails because that stuff doesn't come off, but okay. I guess I don't know, let's look at what we got in here. Oh, my stencils just fell on the floor. My bad. Okay. There is no force equal to a woman determined to rise. Remember that. Remember this any time that you are having a bad day or in a bad situation. Like me, my goodness. Have you seen the videos about the big tree in the yard? That's a big situation. Oh my goodness. That tree scared us half to death when it fell. And the city has not contacted us because it's in the alley. But the neighbors think that it's mostly on my property line, which would make me responsible for the tree falling and cutting it down. And the neighbor's fence got wiped out because it's 2 city lots. So my yard and my neighbor's yard, just total tree. It missed our garage by 6 inches. Not even that. Leaves were touching the garage, but no stems were, or no branches were. So, it's been 2 weeks. That happened on the 15th of May, and we have not heard anything. And the neighbors next door refuse to help because they're just renters. Not very nice neighbors, let me tell you. Very, very disappointed. The son actually was willing to help. He was supposed to come over and help my son yesterday. He never showed up. And the mother, I mean, he's an adult. He's got little children. He can make up his own mind. But apparently the mother told my son today that they don't want anything to do with the tree. So I guess they're presuming that the tree is mine, ours, and we're responsible for it. The problem is, if the city gets involved and they say it's not our tree, we'll get fined for it if we don't get it out of here. Now, mind you, this tree is like 3 stories high. It's hundreds and hundreds of years old. And it just snapped. Absolutely snapped. Scared us half to death. Now, my son has been a trooper. If you are subscribed or a follower of Dark Fox 29, go see his shorts. He's been updating you guys better than I have. He's been out there every day this week so far for 3 to 4 hours all day in the sun, chopping branches with a bow saw. He uses our ladder and a bow saw. I mean, you need a chainsaw. We don't have the money to buy a chainsaw. Not all our neighbors sit and watch this happening. Nobody offers to help him. Hey, I have a chainsaw you can use. So we got a chainsaw, but we don't know how to work it. He's sitting there pushing the button and pulling whatever he has to do, and he's not, it's not starting. So we might have to take to a repair person to get it, I don't know, tuned up or whatever you do with a chainsaw. In the meantime, anyway, so then a couple days ago, he was out doing errands. And he came home and he says, Mom, listen to my car. And he turned the steering wheel on the car to the left. And it made a loud grinding noise, like metal on metal. It's like, dude, you can't drive this car. And so, bless his heart, thank God to YouTube and Google Lens. He put the car on the, I'm just staring and talking here, I'm sorry, on the jacks and climbed under there, much to my dismay. And we know what the grinding is, we just don't know what part of the car it is to ask for what parts we get. So that's another project that we're going to have to do by ourselves, because with our situation the way it is and government funding being denied us, you know, we're just not in a position to go spending all this money for trees. And I don't know if Dark Fox told you this, but I had oral surgery. That's mouth bone replacement, or implant basically, and it was out of pocket, and it was hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it was necessary surgery, so I had to borrow money from my cousin, and we're just not in a position to fork out all this money right now. So, oh, and the other thing too is, because of government programs, the one that has a dog with an E on it, they cut help to senior citizens and stuff, which that's what I am considered. And last year, a company or organization that is all over the United States, I'm not going to say the name specifically. Okay, I'll say it. Community Action, because I already put it in posts. Came out because the CO2 monitor was going off all the time. We ended up having a carbon monoxide leak. So they had to shut the electricity and stuff down to work on the furnace. And the air conditioner didn't come back on. So last August, they shut down my air conditioner or whatever happened. So here we are. The Farmer's Almanac is saying that we are going to have higher than normal heat index this summer. And like in the 90s with high humidity. And I don't have an air conditioner. I don't do good when I'm hot. It's going to be a miserable summer. Ugh. So when I tell you there is no force equal to a woman determined to rise, this is my motto. This is why I chose this, because right now I feel really defeated. I don't understand what I did to deserve all this bad luck. This year has not been good to us. So, anyway, just try to remember that. These stickers are really stuck on here too. What did I do? Let's see. So, this has not been very relaxing for you. Let's get on with the video. And I'll tell you, I love my son. I complain a lot about my son, you know, mother, son, crap. But bless his soul, he has been out there every day, chopping away at that tree. I have to make him come in to get lunch or water. It's like, come in, you're going to get sunstroke. Oh, I will in a minute. And then he doesn't come, and I have to go out and bring him water, which is fine. Who doesn't mind doing that? But yeah, he's so devoted to getting that tree done. And like I said today, the lady next door said we don't want anything to do with the tree. It's not our tree. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Let's put this one up here. No, let's put this one by her. Okay. Man, these are so hard to get off of this paper. I'm not going to touch that for a minute because I have a plan. Oh, I thought that I saw music notes on here. I do have music notes. I'm going to pause you for a minute. I'm going to grab something. Okay, well, I really wanted to use this washi tape. I broke it coming off of the roll. And it's not long enough. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? You know, I kind of wish I wouldn't have made this purple. Because I could have done the blending around the edges to fill in. I wonder if that would be too tacky. Too tacky? I don't think that I don't have like a pink, but I do have this minty green. Is this the same? Oh, it's the same as that. Would that look too tacky? We're gonna try it just because. Okay, let's try it with this. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that is so green. Wow, okay. This is gonna be really colorful. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have done this purple. I know. What do you think? Kind of psychedelic. Oh, I have something good to talk about. I don't think it really matters to anybody, but my cousin's daughter, my second cousin, had a baby yesterday. Her name is Evelyn, and she is a little pumpkin cutie. They went through IVF to have the baby, so they've been waiting for a little child for a very long time. She posts every day about, you know, her experiences, what she's going through. So the whole story, you've gotten the whole story. Plus my cousin calls me all the time and tells me. But I'm very proud that she was able to, very thankful that IVF worked for her and her husband, and that they were able to conceive. Well, yeah, I guess it's conceive. A baby girl. They're just, the whole family is excited. I'm excited. She lives on the other side of the country, so I'll probably never see her, but I'm proud for her. Okay, let me get my handy dandy glue stick. Yeah, getting sticky. Nice, very nice. Now I did see This has got music stuff on it, like 2 speakers. Oh no, I should have. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. Did I hurt you? Do you have a concussion? Just my ring light. I think I'm gonna put her here. Maybe I should have done a 2-page spread. I have mixed feelings about these sticker books. They usually cost, well, Temu prices have gone up because of the, you know, tariffs and stuff. And so I can't buy anything from there for a while. But they usually cost $6 for these sticker books. And I love them. I love them because there's so much in here. But for me, it's too much because then I can't figure out what to use, and I get so frustrated. So frustrated because it's like, oh God, that's so pretty. I don't know what to do with it. Yeah, okay. So we're going to... Why did we have this feather? I don't know. I think I had something I was going to do with that. I don't recall. Alright, let's put... Where's the... Oh, here it is. Okay. Now these are all one sticker here. But I'm going to cut them up and put them around the page. And I need to put that music up there too. Okay, let me get my sparkly scissors. I don't know if you guys who are watching have any education in music and music theory, but I learned from a commercial on YouTube the other day about notes, and it was very intriguing for me. Like, if it's just a circle, that's a full note. If it's colored in and doesn't have these things on it, it's a half note. If it's got one thing, it's a quarter note, and if it's got 2, it's an 1/8 note. And I thought, oh my God, I did not know that. Just trivia. Plus, I have a beautiful guitar sitting in the living room, which I swear I was going to learn to play. It's a one of a kind. Well, maybe not. I think it's a numbered edition. And it is signed by the artist, and it's blue and sparkly with glitter, and it's got dove on the back flying up, and it's just really gorgeous. Really very gorgeous. Let's see, let's put a note here. Okay, so now we have this, and we need to put the note. I put the gramophone on a different one because it is old-timey. Although the title of this page is music. So, I guess any kind of music. Did we want to put the guitar? Did you decide if we're doing a guitar? Is the electric guitar? Guitar. There you are. These are really stickery, aren't they? Wow. Stuck to my finger really good. Alright, let's see. Oh, where did I put my very sparkly scissors? Here they are on this side. Okay. Need to pull that up. Or crap. Alright, put that on my finger again. Wow, I had too much stuff on my desk. So here's something I'm going to throw at ya. I'm in my bedroom. My bedroom is ridiculously small. Don't do that to me. Where'd you go? Okay, well, just drop the pokey. So my bedroom is ridiculously small. I have a desk, a big dresser, a bedside thingy, whatever those things are called, end tables. And it's just, there's no room. So I'm thinking of moving down into the basement. I won't have a bedroom door, per se. It's supposed to be our media room, but I'll tell you, my son right now is not in any media room. He is he's playing games on my big screen TV. So we've been here for 5 years and it hasn't been made a media room, so I don't think it's going to ever be a media room. With that being said, it's a lot bigger. It's twice the size of my bedroom. It's carpeted. The only thing is, you know, if he's doing his laundry or I'm doing my laundry, it's on the other side of the wall. So we would have to make a schedule for that. But I'm seriously thinking of making this little space my office, my studio, and moving down to the big space downstairs. What else did I want to put on here? What else do I want to put on here? I cut this out. I didn't do a very good job. Well, I don't need to do a good job. I just need my handy dandy fancy scissors. Put this in my desktop recycling bin. Let's see if we can put this here like that. I don't know, we're just gonna make a mess up here. Fill in whatever we can fill in. I'm gonna start putting flowers and stuff on here. Butterflies and such. Oh, it's 32 minutes already. Well, let's just start plastering and stuff on here. Start putting this plant. Music related. Pink light. Oh, there's a turntable. Oh, she needs to be listening to the turntable. Dude, where did I lost my pokey things. Hold on. There we go. Alright. So let's take the turntable. And put that right there. Okay. God, those big ass speakers. Where do I put those? Did I just say a bad word? I'm sorry. My goodness, this takes me back to my childhood with those really big speakers. Now I wish I had more musical notes. That would be great, wouldn't it? Okay. Done with this collage here. These are really cute. I like that. This would make a good scene here. It's with the cups and stuff. These are bracelets. Oh, this is another theme I would like. Demeanor and gentle smile make her an epitome of elegance. Love. Oh, nice. Yeah, this whole page looks like it's another project. Okay. I think we've got it. I think there's enough. Unless I put... Oh, must be done gaping. He's yawning. Let me try something. Let me see if I can do this. See if I can not pick up dog hair. Set this flower to the side. From the corner. Kind of looks like a notebook paper. I like it. I don't want to just stick a bunch of little things in here because it'll take away from the message, which basically is rise up, be strong, and listen to good music. I like it. Do you like it? Here, take a better look at it. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you thumbs up it or bleh. You can put a heart. You can put poop emoji. You can make a happy face or a laughy face. Just let me know what you think about it. As you know, liking this video and commenting kickstarts the algorithm and puts me out there for more people to see. And I really need to grow my channel because I have a car in the driveway that needs to be fixed and a darn blasted 3-story tree that my poor kid is single-handedly cutting into pieces. But joking aside here, I would appreciate your support by clicking and posting. With that being said,